When Louise Markert was growing up in Ogdensburg, New York, just a stone's throw from the Canadian border, a particular high school teacher, Marie Leamy, noticed something special in Markert's passion for biology and chemistry and sought opportunities to nurture it.
Students who had just finished their junior year could go to Bar Harbor, Maine. And there's a facility there, and they took, at that time, high school students. And everyone loved science.
The Jackson Laboratory Summer Student Program was life-changing.
It was unbelievable. Right across the hall from me was a very prominent Nobel laureate. And he would talk to me. This is before anyone knew what T cells were or B cells were. Just so amazing.
Her passion never wavered, and Markert went on to become an international pioneer in thymus tissue transplantation that has saved the lives of children with once fatal DeGeorge syndrome, babies born without a thymus gland. After graduating in biochemistry from Smith College, Markert came to Duke in 1975 for the MD PhD program. She then joined the Duke faculty. Her work was focused on severe combined immune deficiency syndrome, or SCID, when she was contacted by a parent.
He had a baby who didn't have any T cells. And he said, what can be done? And I said, well, gosh, we don't have anything for that right now, but heavens, with all the work we have on severe combined immune deficiency, we ought to be able to help your child.
Markert enlisted Duke's Bart Haynes for guidance and began working on how to transplant thymus tissue into the child.
Unfortunately, the child died before we could get everything together.
By the time the second baby came along in 1993, Markert had developed the procedure to culture thymus cells from an infant donor and insert them into the thigh muscle of a child. Within a few months, a biopsy revealed some astonishing news.
She developed T cells. It was just fabulous.
The life-saving procedure is done at just two places, Duke University and Great Ormond Street Hospital in England. Hundreds of children's lives have been saved because of it. And in 2021, the treatment was approved by the FDA.
When we heard that it was approved, we all went out to drink and eat.
Markert is quick to point out that it was a true team effort over years of hard work to create the pioneering treatment. Along with Bart Haynes, she cites lab technician Gia Lee.
It's my lifetime joy. Yeah, I just love Louise.
For her pioneering work, Markert has received many prestigious honors, including the Lifetime Achievement Award from the Immune Deficiency Foundation and the Leonard Tao Humanism in Medicine Award. Her hobbies include gardening and baking an assortment of bread.
And it's just so yummy, the bread that one can make.
She says she values the high level of scientific cooperation that Duke affords, and the FDA approval is testament to the power of that cooperation.
It's just overwhelming how happy one can be helping these children.